Do you desire to work from home? Do you enjoy reading and writing a lot? If so, working as a proofreader might be the ideal career for you. We'll illustrate how to work as a proofreader and get paid. What's great? You can start without any prior experience or education. But before we begin, I'd like to welcome you to the channel and also remind you that if you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, and share. With that said, let's get started. When you proofread a piece of writing, you carefully and thoroughly look it over for any mistakes, whether they be in spelling, punctuation, grammar, consistency, or style. The writing process has reached its conclusion, which is a significant stage. You can discover a wide range of proofreading jobs online, including those for admissions essays, academic papers that are being published, resumes, business documents, and emails. Proofreading is a necessary stage for any significant piece of writing. How much money can you make as a proofreader? Proofreaders typically make between $25 and $45 per hour. There are several more things to take into account, though. You must first choose whether to bill clients by the hour or by the word count. The next factors that will affect your prices are your level of experience, the difficulty of the job, and whether or not you are an expert in the field. So, as a new proofreader, you can estimate earning between $12 and $15 per hour. However, as you gain more expertise, your hourly wage will increase. Not only can you charge your clients more money, but as time goes on, your proofreading will also become much faster and more effective. What qualifications and degrees are necessary to work as a proofreader? Luckily, you can find freelance editing gigs without a degree. Many clients just care about the result, while some prefer that their proofreader possess a bachelor's or perhaps a graduate degree. This implies that even inexperienced college students can earn money proofreading, which is fantastic extra money for those who like to journey. Proofreaders must possess good grammar and spelling abilities in terms of talents. Likewise, fundamental are time management abilities and familiarity with popular style manuals, such as MLA, a PA, and the Chicago Manual of Style for particular vocations. A bit of advice. You might want to think about making a small investment in yourself and enrolling in a course that will help you land more jobs if you want to get paid more to proofread and to ensure your self-work. What are the must-have tools for work-from-home proofreading jobs? You'll require a variety of necessary equipment to successfully perform home-based proofreading assignments, such as spell checker. First and foremost, a spell checker is a must-have tool that will go through your written text and identify major mistakes and grammatical errors. Although it might seem obvious, this straightforward tool is unquestionably necessary for proofreading. Grammarly. The biggest tool for independent proofreaders is Grammarly, which is also one of the best at detecting grammatical issues. In addition, it offers a plagiarism checker, explanations, and recommendations for every grammatical error. Ginger. Ginger is among the best programs for checking grammar if you don't like using Grammarly. This is because, in comparison to other spell checkers, it is fantastic for proofreading more complex writing. After all, it can identify and fix trickier grammatical errors. It's also a priceless tool for polishing and improving your writing. Google Docs. Google Docs is another crucial tool for online editing because it makes it simple to receive, send, and share files with clients. Extra functionality includes the option to store files offline, a variety of editing tools and add-ons, and a free service. Avast Antivirus. Another essential tool for online proofreading, but one that is sometimes disregarded, is antivirus and security software. They are crucial for your internet security, as well as the safety and confidentiality of client documents. Avast Antivirus is what we use, but there are lots of other options too. Let's go over the best proofreading platforms online. Even though it can be challenging to find proofreading jobs online without experience, there are many ways to do so, from applying to proofreading-specific websites to signing up for sizable freelance marketplaces. These 10 reputable online proofreading jobs will pay you to proofread. Number 1. Upwork. In addition to being one of the top websites for finding entry-level proofreading jobs, Upwork is also one of the most popular. Upwork is an excellent place to find work-from-home opportunities because it has a ton of freelance job postings. Finding opportunities for editing and proofreading will be quite simple because of the platform's excellent usability and navigation. Nevertheless, there are drawbacks to using Upwork. First of all, it will be challenging to obtain a respectable salary because countless independent contractors are willing to accept meager compensation. So to outbid other proofreaders, you'll probably need to undersell your services. Upwork additionally levies a 20% service fee. Though the remuneration is on the low end, Upwork is ideal for inexperienced proofreaders wishing to get expertise. However, it's a fantastic place to begin your online proofreading job, and if you market yourself effectively, you can find clients prepared to pay you properly. Number 2. FlexJobs. The expansive web portal FlexJobs, which advertises employment opportunities for beginning and seasoned freelancers, is similar to Upwork. Contrary to Upwork, joining FlexJobs is expensive, $14.95 per month. However, since there is less rivalry for jobs, this could be a benefit. Moreover, FlexJobs' site is easy to use, it provides a ton of help, and it makes sure all of its job ads are genuine. Overall, FlexJobs is a different online freelance job market that's great for locating new clients and jobs for proofreaders. Number 3. FINACIAL. FINACIAL is a website that offers a ton of work for beginning proofreaders along with a wide variety of other freelance projects. It is comparable to Upwork and FlexJobs. FINACIAL has the same drawbacks as Upwork in that there are many low-paying jobs available, with the lowest offer being $5. Even though it's simple to get started and obtain work, as long as you have a fantastic profile. However, as a novice proofreader, it's a fantastic method to gather experience. Once you have this experience, you may move to better sites and charge more for your services. Number 4. Scribendi. The preceding 3 platforms served as enormous marketplaces for all freelance labor, whereas Scribendi is a business that specializes in providing editing and proofreading services. Working with Scribendi, a Canadian company that employs remote editors from all around the world, has a lot of benefits. They provide dependable and consistent payouts in USD via PayPal, complete flexibility in the work you choose to take on, and account maintenance as long as you complete one assignment every 3 months. They also provide training on editing and proofreading, as well as a community where you may talk with other proofreaders about a variety of subjects. You must, however, complete a few requirements to register with Scribendi. They are looking for university-educated, native English speakers with at least 3 years of experience who can proofread at least 1,000 words per hour. They also want them to have at least 3 years of experience. So even if you're unsure that you fit their requirements, we still advise applying. Overall, Scribendi is a wonderful service to join as a freelance proofreader if you meet the requirements. Number 5. EditFast. EditFast is the last brand on this list that offers editing and proofreading services. EditFast is an excellent site to locate work because it is an online job board with numerous posts for independent editors and proofreaders. The application procedure is also fairly simple. You sign a non-disclosure agreement, register online, submit your resume, take an editing test, and then create your profile. You only need to apply for the positions listed once you've been accepted. The EditFast portal is used for all client communications, and PayPal will be used to pay you. The major drawback of using EditFast is that they retain 40% of your finished product. Therefore, EditFast is more advantageous for novice proofreaders who want to gain experience. Proofreading is an excellent home-based work option if you like to read and write and are particular about using the English language correctly. You'll also benefit from being able to work a flexible schedule since you'll probably be a freelancer, which is fantastic news if you're attempting to juggle caregiving responsibilities with earning money. You now understand the top online proofreading opportunities. In general, there are plenty of openings for entry-level proofreaders, provided you present yourself properly and keep applying. Don't let rejection or the low compensation at first discourage you. As you acquire expertise, you'll be able to demand higher rates and become more adept at proofreading. We hope you learned a lot from the video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.